Welcome back to Talentless Creations. My name is Joe, and I believe I worked on this for about 45 minutes, I want to say. I've been going through uh, the AI tutorials, and uh, to me, they're very complicated. So I'm I got through the perception system, and I think that's all I really need at this point. So I'm gonna start working on the an AI enemy at this point soon. Um, but yeah, I didn't actually um, complete the goal of working about an hour a day, and I think it's because I overdid it a bit last week, and I'll get more of that in my next video. Uh, I did change the lighting system a little bit here, uh, just to make the scene look a little bit better. Um, but to be honest, I haven't done really much in the Unreal Editor at this point. That was a pretty short update here, but thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.